Hello, welcome to the Cracks Ideas. Today we are going to complete JavaScript code. I have taken a new course for you, and this is my early first video on this lecture. I am really happy to welcome you to this huge course, which will take you from knowing nothing about JavaScript to an expert JavaScript developer. And learning JavaScript is a great choice, not only because it's the most popular programming language in the world, and this course is, in my opinion, the very best way of learning JavaScript that you will find, and you have come to a right place. Before we start learning, let's take a couple of minutes to get a quick view of how the course is organized and the projects that we're gonna build together, so that you know exactly what to expect. It has 320 lectures. After completing them, you will to like our every video and subscribe our channel, and you will have to get the certificate. I included everything you need to know about JavaScript in this course. Your task is watch the next video of our course. Our course will start from there. Thanks. Alright, I hope that you gonna have a ton of fun with this course, that you become a really advanced JavaScript developer. Let's finally get started.